Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name black color, yellow color, red color, green color, blue color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use black color ONE 2 TWO2. Kids again use black color and draw 3 THRW3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4 FOUR4. Kids again use black color and draw 5, the numbers of 5 FIVE5. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color SIX6. 7 SEVEN 8 EIGHT 8 9 NINE. Kids now 10, the numbers of 10 TEN. Kids now 11, the numbers of 11, and use red color 12, the numbers of 12. 13, the numbers of 13. Kids again use red color and draw 14, the numbers of 14. 15, the numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 17, the numbers of 17. 18, the numbers of 18. Kids now draw 19, the numbers of 19. 20, the numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.